Peter Witt Class 1928 tram is the symbol of Milan. The very first prototypes were painted in the yellow and white and cream colour. Then they were generally carried the two-tone green until the orange, the all-over orange was introduced in 1971, which then became the standard for all public transport vehicles in Italy until the early 2000s. And in the last years they've been repainted in, listen to it, absolutely fantastic. Longitudinal benches inside, tungsten lighting with beautiful glass lampshades. An absolute classic, nearly 100 years old and still going strong. And here's another Peter Witt coming in all over advertisement livery for Orco mustard. Listen to the sound. Fantastic. And now we're hitting the road to get out of Milan because it's already 4 o'clock and I want to avoid the rush hour. So any other videos, my wife will do them as I drive. Cheerio and see you next time.
And here are a few photographs of type 1928 Ventotto or Carrello trams as they're called in the orange livery that I took in January 2003 when I was visiting Milan. And you can see the photographs were taken in front of the central station of Milano Centrale. There are also some period adverts for Ryanair on one of them. They're scanned analog photographs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheerio and see you next time.